Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. In this video, I am going to share with you just one tip that will reduce the fat from your body at the fastest rate. Believe me, following this tip can take your weight loss journey to a whole new level. I'll tell you why. Let's briefly understand why do we get fat. When we eat in excess to what our body can utilize, it starts storing the excess in glycogen stores. And when the glycogen stores are full, it starts accumulating it in the form of fat. So we will talk about just that one thing which will deplete the glycogen stores and tap the fat. Now if you are someone who thinks that you have tried almost everything but this stubborn belly fat is not going off, you should try this. Or if you are someone who is extremely overweight and does not know where to start from, you should definitely try this. The best thing about this tip is that it will give you fast results. It is very easy to follow and then you need not spend even a single rupee. So what is it? Well, it is to do cardio in the morning on an empty stomach for just 15 to 20 minutes. That's all. So if you want quick results, get up early in the morning, have a glass of water, get ready and go out for a run. If you cannot run or jog, at least do brisk walking. If you do not have a park or a place to go nearby, you can even do jumping or skipping at home. The whole idea is to do cardio for just 15 to 20 minutes on an empty stomach. So how does it help? In the morning, our stomach is empty. All the glycogen stores are almost depleted. To do cardio, our body will need energy. But because we have not taken any carbohydrates, it will start utilizing fat cells in the body for energy. And don't worry that your body will start losing muscle. When we are empty stomach, our body first utilizes the glycogen stores. Then it moves on to the fat. And then it goes to the muscles. So 15 to 20 minutes of cardio on an empty stomach will not make you lose muscles. Moreover, if you eat enough protein throughout the day, it is not that easy for your body to lose muscles. So this is simple yet very effective way to cut fat from your body. All you need to do this cardio is on empty stomach. Now when I say empty stomach, you can have only water, or you can have black coffee without sugar, black tea without sugar, green tea without sugar, or fat cutter drink. Please do not have any kind of carbohydrates. And then there are a lot of benefits of doing cardio first thing in the morning. As I've already told you, it will help you cut the fat from your body at very fast pace. Consider it this way, that doing 15 to 20 minutes of cardio empty stomach is equal to doing 1 hour of cardio in the evening when your stomach is full. Doing this cardio session will also kickstart your metabolism. If your metabolism is up, your body will be able to digest food very easily. This will indirectly help you in fat loss. Moreover, a small workout in the morning like this will keep you energized throughout the day. And then we all know that cardio has great benefits when it comes to heart health. So if you are someone who is a heart patient or having high blood pressure, this will help you a lot. And then to say the least, when you go around, see the greenery and get close to nature, you feel very happy. So friends, follow this tip for just 10 days and you will see that fat from your body is just getting melted. So friends, I hope you found this video helpful. Well, if you did, please do give it a thumbs up. And also please do remember to subscribe to my channel. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.